All right, guys, so you've seen this truck before on the channel. We did the double X pipe, but he brought it back. He said now it's too quiet. You guys remember that, America? So he brought it back. It's still true dualed all the way back. The cats are up there on each side. And then we added back 2 pieces of pipe and left 1 X pipe on it, as you guys can see right there. Then the tailpipes continue out the back on each side. Everything else looks the same. There's the X pipe we cut off, so it's not a double X pipe anymore. It's a single X pipe. He said at like 45, 50, he didn't like the sound anymore. It was way too quiet for him. So we took it off, and stay tuned. Round 3. I'm gonna let you guys hear it again. Round 3, Dakota SLT. I like it. Sound decibels. It's got a little bit more raspy. Okay. 109 on the sound decibels. Let us know in the comments. No X pipe, 1 X pipe, or 2 X pipes. He wanted it raspy but not crazy. So I think this is the best equal sound that he wanted. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dakota with 1 X pipe true dual. That sounds good. I like it.